Okay, so what we need to do is let's open these up. So I am going to save this as an Excel file because that's your issue right now. You didn't populate all the way down here. You only have 3 values and it's only for this person. That's why you got the error. You need to fill all of these. You need to fill the rows with these calculations. But because the CSV did not save the formula, we are going to save it as an Excel, work on that. So you're going to, right now, while I'm handling all of this, what I want you to do is put in chat which cells I need to, oh no, actually, you have them right there. Okay, never mind. You have them in there. You highlighted the whole section for each. I don't know what you mean by that. Where's my... let's do this so I can see. Okay. Yeah, you got the average, but you only applied it to row 2 here. You didn't apply it all the way down, and so that's why JASP can't do anything for you. So I'm going to save this to my desktop. So what we need to do is we need to save it as an Excel file so we can work with everything. Because once you save it as a CSV, there's a lot of stuff that you cannot do in Excel that you would need to do for computation, things like that. So I'm just going to delete these. So what it looks like is, so we have the, it's the trait. So why is the trait post? I thought they did the trait one first. I thought trait was the first thing they did. Well, in any case, we're just going to do it this way. So that equals all of these. Come on now. Come on. Oh my gosh. What does it go to? AT. Cool. Yep. Don't know why I did that. Because I didn't take the average. Okay, there we go. Dang it. There we go. Boom. Okay. Then you populate it all the way down. Okay, you can double click on that. And here it's like formula omits adjacent cells. We can ignore this error for now. And then this one is the pre. So this is one that's going to be equal to your pre values here. Pre. It's post. There we go. I did it again. I'm not doing so hot with the there we go. And then we throw that one down. So you can double click when you get the black cursor over the drag function here, this drag square. You can double click on it and it will auto populate to the edge to the final row of your data. You could also drag it. I can show that too. So this is going to equal, I'm going to do average first and not be such a silly sod on that one. So let's see, where does post start? Right here. And then it goes to right there. And we need to Nope, too far. Too far. Too far. State. There we go. And then put the close parenthesis. I really wish it put the close parenthesis there. And there we go.